Well, there it is. The Yamaha R9. I mean, it was kind of a given that if they made the R7, they were definitely going to make the R9. But that's it right there with the new body style, the front wings that pretty much every bike in the world is going to have. And it doesn't look horrible to me. It's got, the typical, I think it's the same engine as the, what is it, MT-09 now, a little bit of a different tune, but 190cc engine, 195 kilogram of wet weight, KYB suspension, Brembo brakes, Yamaha ride control, blah, 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 blah. Quick shifter, all the things that you would expect. Even a rear ABS off mode, which is kind of cool when you think about it. But pretty much everything you'd expect from a new, I don't know if you want to call this a super bike. I mean, it's a sport bike technically, but like where this falls in the range of things, I don't know. Um, it's kind of one of those weird things. I think if you're this close to 1,000 cc's, 890 or 100 off, why would you not just buy the R1? This starts at, was it 12,499? So $2,500. I don't know. It's just one of those funny things that like, why would you not just buy the R1? I mean, granted, yes, the R1 is uh $19,000. So there's a big probably reason right there. But you're not that far off it really. And for 100 cc's, actually, when you think about it, for 100 cc's, you're paying $7,000 more for an R1. I don't know. Maybe I'm going the other way. Why would you not just buy an R9 instead of an R1? Obviously, this is the new bike. If you look at it in the feature, there's tons of this shit. It's like, it's all of like electronics where they've got smartphone compatibility and lean angle sensors and 3-level slide control sensors, just everything under the world, like everything you can expect from a new bike. Like just packing as much electronics into these things as possible, which really isn't a bad thing, but from coming from somebody who's never ridden a bike with ABS or traction control or power modes or anything like that, it's just a lot to me. But I don't know, it's gonna be one of those funny things that like the R6, they canceled it so they can build R1 or R6 race bikes and then have the R7 come out. So it's kind of funny, like where does this fall into the range of things? Because they're not gonna get rid of the R1. I mean, I guess they could, but it'd be a very strange thing to get rid of that and then just have a smaller, not 1,000 liter or not liter bike, whatever. 1,000 liter bike, yeah. But I don't know. It's cool to see. It's obviously they're trying something new. They're bringing that kind of engine to a sport bike is neat. But I gotta ask you guys. Question below. Would you buy one? Are you looking to buy one? Do you have an R7 even? Like, um, is this your kind of thing where you're looking for a sport bike with a little bit more power, but don't want an R1 or whatever the reason is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Like, if you do have an R7, why'd you buy it? Um, what do you like about it? What do you not like about it? And if you're looking to buy one of these, the R9s, what do you like about it? What's going to be the reason you would buy it over something else? Who knows? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.